The spring rolls come from Vietnam. They are traditionally made with pork, but the Vietnamese chicken spring rolls are absolutely delicious. Here are the ingredients for 30 rolls. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. In advance, soak the mushrooms in water for 1 hour. Rehydrate the glass noodles while preparing the ingredients. Finely cut the onions. Grate the carrots. Remove the foot of the mushrooms. Chop them. Drain the glass noodles. Cut them in 2 sections. To make the filling, put in mixing bowl the ground chicken, the onions, the mushrooms, the bean sprouts, the carrot, the glass noodles, the salt, the pepper, 1 egg, the fish sauce. Mix all together. Dilute the cornstarch with 1 tablespoon of water. Put the weight and wrong towel on the board. Briefly soak a rice paper in hot water. Drain it and lay it on the towel. Put 1 tablespoon of filling near the edge of the rice paper. Wait 10 seconds before handling the rice paper. Flap the both sides toward the center. Both folds must be straight and parallel. Then, roll up the rice paper by tightening. Stamp the top edge on the paper with diluted starch. This prevents it from opening during frying. The cooking is done in 2 steps. First, fry the spring rolls at 150 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Remove them and let them cool. At this stage, you can freeze them. The second cooking will make the spring rolls crisp. Fry them at 160 degrees Celsius about 4 minutes. Take them out and let them drain. To enjoy them, put on a salad leaf some basil, some mint, some cilantro, 1 spring roll, roll it up, dip it in a sauce. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.